Praveen?
Yeah, I agree with everything that Joanne said. It comes down to don't be afraid to ask. I, I don't know how many times I've said this to people. Why are you afraid to ask this question? Just ask the question. Um, because when you ask the question, they know you're asking because you want to understand where they're coming from. Especially in the request for proposal phase. You're trying to get in, and the talent question is right on. What is your attrition rate? What's your turnover? And you get the answer even when people are doing their introductions. Hi, my name is Joe. I've been in manufacturing for 15 years. Hi, my name is Jane. I just joined the company. I'm really excited to be here. I mean, you get a sense of it right in that introduction. If everyone in the room has been there for 15 years, and when you're walking around and, this is not an audit, you're allowed to ask people questions. And, most people who are showing you the lab or the plant, they'll say, hey, what questions do you have? You can ask the question. So don't be afraid. Don't be shy, because you're only hurting yourself at the end of the day on that particular area.